It's okay. It's just a bird shadow. It's okay. I know that's scary, isn't it? Oh my goodness. It's just a bird shadow. I know. They look like they're going to come right through, don't they? Yep. That's okay. Oh, now we've wrecked your chance of rolling, I bet. What do you think? You still willing to give it a go? Maybe? Good girl. You calm down quite well. Yeah. Oh my goodness, look at your lips twitching. Yeah, you're still thinking about that bird. That's okay. It's okay. We're okay. We're cool. It's okay.